Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at EURCHF analysis from different time frames perspective. The first one that we are going to look at is the weekly chart, and as you can see, price is in a clear movement that it keeps moving down without taking a pause. However, all this movement was not created because the Swiss franc was strong or because euro was weak during this period of time, because all of them are in the eurozone. The problem is that the Swiss National Bank made clear that they are intervening in the market during each quarter, and everything began during the previous year. So as you can see, this was the previous low that was created, and it was at 0.9415 as a low. So there is no price lower than this zone here. On a daily chart, that is also very clear at this moment, the price moved down in this way. Look at what it is doing. It is creating these waves, deep waves down and deep corrections up all the time. The price is moving down, and so far the price reacted close to the bottom. So what is happening near this area? As you can see on a daily chart that we are right now, we have many candles that the price is already showing to have buyers in this zone. We can see long wicks of the candles that already stopped the price here. So this is increasing the chances that the price may stop and it may grow further also from the current area where it is right now. If we are going to extend the targets, just one moment. If we are going to extend this area, sorry, we may see that the price stopped exactly at the end of this area. If you can observe the daily candles here in this zone, all the candles closed approximately in the same price, and also the price reaction when it came down in this zone again, it was very strong and close to this structure support area. However, another thing that I'm looking at, another scenario, is also this harmonic pattern that can be seen. Probably it was completed premature because the price sometimes tends to complete the patterns when the market is not waiting for the full pattern completion. It is valid overall. We may see also any small correction, but I think that this is done as a pattern. So the chances are that even if the price will make any small correction or it will spend more time in this zone, the chances are that we may see EURCHF to grow further on a daily chart. So this is overall from this perspective, the maximum that we may face, in my opinion, is that the price may spend some time. We are still in August, the trading volume is very low, we don't have many news events, so the chances are very high that we may see the price to spend time here before the next bullish movement. Also, from a fundamental perspective today, we had also the consumer price index from the Swiss. We may see that during the previous month it was 1.7% and it slowed down to 1.6%. So overall it was as expected, and the chances are very high that considering also the previous price reactions on the other currencies related to the consumer price index, when this indicator slow it down, despite the fact that it's a good thing because all the central banks are working to slow down this indicator to make it smaller because it's very high, we may see that it has reacted in a negative way with the respective currency. That is why this can create some bearish pressure on the Swiss franc, but only if the Swiss National Bank will not intervene again in the market. So this is for this part here. For the profits, I would like to focus on this area of the charts, probably the beginning of this small structure because we are on a daily zone here. The beginning of this small structure will be a very good price zone. Another one that you may take profits if the price will continue to grow, because usually EURCHF tends to grow very fast. This is a very interesting zone as well. And another one that I would like to look at for profits without being very greedy during this period of time is this small structure here. So we can use all of these targets for the bullish movement that may happen during these weeks, let's say. So possible pullback will be fine before the price will continue to grow further again. So that's all for EURCHF analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.